You know, when I first got involved in the cryptocurrency space, it was a lot of scary things going on out there. I heard stories of people making a whole lot of money, people losing a whole lot of money. And after me going through the process, I came up with 4 rules that's allowed me to continuously to have success in crypto. And rule number 1 is education is key. Education is everything. Rule number 2, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Rule number 3, always get a return on investment back as fast as possible. And rule number 4, where do you see yourself in 3 months, 6 months, a year from now? What are you willing to do to make that happen? Make a decision, find a vehicle, stay focused, do not get distracted. Now, following these rules is not going to guarantee you success in the crypto space, but it will at least minimize your risk. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the most that we can ask for. Enjoy your crypto journey. Bye-bye.